Hi everyone, welcome back to dptutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create a soft baseline without freezing your project schedule in Primavera P6. Now you might be wondering what exactly is a soft baseline. A hard baseline in P6 means you are officially frozen the plan. Typically after customer approval, Primavera tracks all your variances from your locked baseline. A soft baseline, on the other hand, is more like a temporary snapshot of your schedule. You create it just to compare changes week on week or month on month without affecting your official project schedule. This is super helpful when your schedule is still under review or frequently changing. Let's use example project so you can follow along. Here's our project setup. This represents a small construction project that we are currently tracking. We will now create a soft baseline so we can compare this week's plan to next week's updates. Go to the projects window, select your current project and then click copy and then paste. Paste it right under the same EPS. Make sure you include everything in these dialog boxes: activities, relationships and resource assignments. Rename this copied project to something like project name - soft baseline week 1. Now open the live working project. Go to project, maintain baselines, click on add, select the second option, select our copied project and close. Now go to project, assign baselines in the menu bar, click on the project baseline drop down and choose select project baseline from the list. This will make Primavera treat that project as a baseline. Go to the activities window and add the columns start variance, finish variance or baseline project finish date. Now you will see your live projects dates compared with the dates from the soft baseline with the variances. If you have delayed any activity or changed its durations, the variance columns will immediately show the drift. Now let's simulate a schedule change. For example, let's say foundation work got delayed by 3 days due to bad weather. Change the start date and click schedule. You will now see that foundation work finish variance showing up in days and the succeeding activities have shifted forward as well. This soft baseline technique lets you analyze slippages, float consumption, or any shifts in activity start and finish dates without freezing your official baseline. It's extremely helpful for internal progress reviews, draft schedules awaiting client approval, early phase projects where dates keep moving. Once your plan stabilizes, you can then go ahead and create a hard baseline officially. And that's how we can create a soft baseline without freezing your schedule in Primavera P6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip. Comment below if you want me to cover more P6 topics. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.